Alright, Unit 1, Lesson 8 for the illustrative math geometry. In this lesson, it's basically a summary of all that you've learned so far with the construction tools. So the learning target for this lesson is that you'll be able to use technology to construct a diagram. So if you go to the lesson for Lesson 8, and I'll just give you a quick little overview. The first section is just review of the different tools that we've looked at. The second part is where I want you to spend your time, but I'm going to skip past that for a second. And then the third and fourth, the third tool explains to you two new tools, the parallel line tool and the perpendicular tool. And then the summary shows you just a snapshot of each of the things that we've looked at so far. Points, intersection points, line, segment, ray, polygon, and the different circle tools. So, the second section asks you if you can do these constructions. So, you should be able to do a perpendicular bisector of a segment. You should be able to do an equilateral triangle, a hexagon, and remember those were from the early lessons. You should be able to construct a square and a square inscribed as inside of a circle. And then the last one is kind of the challenge for this week that might be new, so I'm going to let you give that a shot. So if you click on the geogebra.org in section 8.3, it will open up the website, the GeoGebra tool on the website. But you can also go to the apps and select the GeoGebra Classic tool in there. But if you don't have that, if you're not logged into Google, then this works just as well. So what you'll notice is basic tools show up. You can create a point, you can create another point, you can connect it with a line segment, and if you've done the lessons by now, you should be pretty quick at getting these things done. You can put a circle centered at any point. But you'll notice some of the tools are missing. If you click on the More button over here, that opens up more of the tools that you have been seeing, including the circle tool that allows you to measure the radius from A to C. And put that over here at B. So, what I'm asking you to do this week is use this GeoGebra website app, however you get there. Use that to do the constructions that are given to you in 8.2. So see if you can do this by memory, how to construct a perpendicular bisector, equilateral triangle, hexagon, square, and a square inside of a circle. That's pretty much it for this week. If you have questions about how to do these things, make sure you join the support. And be ready to take a short quiz on how to do these constructions next week.